Hey lamp fans, this is Manny with another MyProjectorLamps video. Today we're going to be talking about the EPSON ELPLP89. This is probably one of the most popular lamps today, and it's definitely one of our top sellers on our website. Watch this video as I run through the easy to follow steps on installing the EPSON ELPLP89. The EPSON ELPLP89 is a required part number to replace the projector lamp for the EPSON 4000, the EPSON 5000, and the EPSON 6000 series. In fact, I think this bad boy fits into over 10 different EPSON projector models, making it one of EPSON's most popular lamps. In this video, we're going to be installing it in the Home Cinema 4010, but I do want to let you know that it looks exactly as the 5000 series and the 6000 series, so you can use this video as a perfect guide for the lamp install. You can actually purchase the EPSON ELPLP89 projector lamp directly from our website at MyProjectorLamps.com. We have the lowest prices guarantee and always have stock of this lamp. Want to bet? Take a look at our site. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The first step of the install is to turn off your projector and make sure it's at room temperature before touching any components. While your projector is cooling down, let's gather the necessary tools for this install. First, you're going to need your Phillips head screwdriver, owner's manual, your microfiber cloth, and the most important part, your new ELPLP89 that was purchased on MyProjectorLamps.com. Step number 2 is to access the lamp compartment. The lamp cover is located on this projector on the top right corner of the machine. This is going to be the same for the 5000 and the 6000 series. Once you've located the cover, you're going to want to get your Phillips head screwdriver and locate the screw that's keeping that door shut. And let's unscrew it. Once you've loosened that screw, you're going to want to slide the lamp door out of the way and set it aside. Step number 3 is to remove the old projector lamp. Use a screwdriver to remove the anchor screws that are securing the lamp in place. On this lamp, it's located on the front and there's only 2. Let's get those unscrewed. Once you've loosened up those screws, the next thing you're going to want to do is locate the handle that's right on the lamp. Once you've found the handle, you're just going to want to give it a nice firm pull, and the projector lamp is out. And we're going to want to set that aside. Step number 4, and my favorite part, it's installing the new lamp. Before inserting the new lamp, you're going to want to clean the inside of the lamp cavity with your microfiber cloth. Make sure you don't touch anything with your actual bare hands, and make sure there's a layer between your hand and the project with the cloth. Once you've cleaned the inside of the compartment, let's grab your new ELPLP89 lamp that was purchased on MyProjectorLamps.com. And I do want to make a note, when you do grab the lamp, make sure you do not touch the glass or the lens or the actual bulb, as this can create heat spots and can definitely shorten the lifespan of your lamp. Once you're ready to install, you're going to want to align your plug with the plug inside of the machine. Once you've done that, all you have to do is push the lamp down softly until it gets to a stop. Once it's gotten to a stop, you're going to want to push down firmly until you hear a clicking noise. Once you've heard that click, the lamp has been installed perfectly. The next thing you're going to want to do is grab your screwdriver again, and you're going to want to tighten up those anchor screws. You don't want to over tighten because you could possibly damage the plastic that's holding it. So once that's tightened up, you are ready to go. Step 5 is to put the lamp cover back on and to connect the power supply. Oh, before I forget, I do want to make a note that it's very important that you do not attempt to turn the projector on until the lamp cover is put back into its place. The reason being, projectors, not only this one, but all of them, have a sensor on the lamp door area that will not let it turn on until the lamp door is securely in place. Once you've closed the lamp door and secured the screw, the next step is to install the power supply. Once you've installed the power supply and turn on the projector, you're going to want to check for any warning messages on the screen or any blinking LED indicators on the projector itself. If there's nothing on the screen or no blinking lights, you've installed the lamp correctly. You're all set, and your future is definitely lit. A friendly reminder, and something most people forget, is to reset your hours on your projector. Click the link below to see the video on how to reset your lamp hours. MyProjectorLamps.com is your primary and #1 source for all your projector lamps needs. Thank you for watching.